We have another Yeezy review. We're gonna get right into it. These are the Yeezy basketball knit in the colorway Energy Glow. These retail for $300. I actually ordered these yesterday when they dropped and I got them today. I got them a couple hours ago, so I'm super excited about it. Let's go ahead and unbox them. Basketball knit, Yeezy basketball knit, made by Adidas, and the color Energy Glow. So for the sizing, Adidas confirmed app suggested sizing a half size up. I didn't. I got a size 6, which I believe is my standard size for Yeezys. I was watching a bunch of reviews and, well, a good amount of reviews and just reading comments, and people were saying that these are hard to get on. They suggest sizing up to put them on easier. I don't know. We'll see when I put them on. Okay, so anyway, let's open. I'm pumped. Okay, I'm excited. Why am I so excited? Okay, here they are. They look so long for some reason. All right, let's talk about the color. Let's discuss this color. Now, I love neon. I'm a neon girl. I love neons of all shades, especially a neon green. But would I call this neon? Now that I have it in person and I can see it in person, the Energy Glow name does fit this, just because it kind of reminds me of those green glow sticks. But the color to me does definitely look better in person. It has dark green and gray with the brighter green or the brighter yellow, so it kind of makes it look a little not appealing to the eye, but it's not bad. It's not bad. These do look a lot better in person. You know, the more I look at them, the more I do like them. Something else just to talk about is the heel is reflective, but I think a missed opportunity is that something on this shoe needed to be glow in the dark just for the Energy Glow name. If they would have had something glow in the dark on this shoe, I think that would have been super cool. I think people would have been more excited for the shoe. I don't know, maybe just me. I love a glow in the dark moment. I feel like you're going to be able to purchase these under retail just because no one really talks about this shoe. Right now, there's some shoes on certain resale websites. They're slightly above retail, but I foresee these dropping and going under retail. I wish that I would see more people wearing these sneakers just because I think they are kind of cool. I wasn't super drawn to them at first. Okay, lighting, okay, sun, thank you. I wasn't really drawn to them at first, but like I said, I really like this color. Like, the more and more I look at it, the more I like them. All right, so let's try them on. Let's see how they look, and let's see if I can actually get them on, because that seems to be a big thing that people can't get them on. Some people are saying it takes them 20 minutes to get the shoe on. Why are you waiting 20 minutes to get a shoe on? Return them, okay? No.
For the car, so she named her daughter Alexia. Yeah, hair so long that it looked like weave. Then she cut it all off, now she look like Eve. And she be dealing with some issues that you can't believe. Single black female, addicted to retail as well. And when it falls down, who you gonna call now? Come on. And when it all falls down, man, I promise, I'm so self-conscious. That's why you always see me with at least one of my watches. Rollies and passes that drove me crazy. I can't even pronounce nothing past that for safety.
I just got done trying them on. I'm kind of perplexed why people were saying these are hard to get on. I mean, not saying they weren't hard getting on for you, but for me, they weren't hard to get on at all. Just put them on and pull them. I don't know, they weren't hard for me to put on, but not saying they're not going to be hard for you. They feel good aside from this part right here, and I'm guessing this is what people were saying is hard to get their foot into, because this is a bit hard, which makes it to me a bit uncomfortable. But besides that, I love the look of it. Looks good. This part of it feels good. $300, I don't know. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you like these Yeezys and if $300 is doing too much.